everybody, welcome to 𝗨𝗏𝗂 Business YouTube channel. My name is Karan Sharma and on this channel we talk about business. So if you want to know more about business laws, consider subscribing to the channel. And today we will be talking about essential laws that an entrepreneur shall know. Well, it is not easy to become a businessman or an entrepreneur in today's time. Trust me, it's no joke. In the recent years, the data suggests that around 90% of the startups fail each and every year. You know why? Because it is not only money that is required to start a business. You need plans, you need finances, and you need to know about startup laws. Learning about startup laws will help you a lot to face the challenges that you will face each and every day in your businesses. It is not a deniable fact that however the great your business idea is, if its legality is questionable, the business is disaster. So come on, let's talk about the essential business laws that every businessman should know. First law is company formation law. Yes, it is the first step towards registering or making your business. When you are starting a business, you need to think that what kind of business do you want? Is it an LLP? It is a private limited? Is it a public limited? Any of the business that you decide, and it is decided upon the factor that what is your goal with the business, what are our financial plans, and what is the duration of your business. When you decide your business, the next step is to decide a name, and after you decide your name, you need to get your company registered under the Companies Act 2013. It is also very much mandatory to know that each and every different sector of business is governed by different set of laws, and if you don't comply with them, you need to pay heavy fines. So all of it comes down to the registration of the business. In normal course, the registration of business is done under Shop and Establishment Act 1953. For example, if you need to start a restaurant, you will ask for a food license. Second type of laws that you should know is financial laws. Under financial laws, there is one thing that you need to make sure of, that from wherever you're getting your fundings, you need to write them down and you need to keep a proper certified copy of it in the form of contract or an agreement. The next thing under the financial laws is keeping a book, or you can call it bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is an act of keeping the financial records of a business, and it helps in keeping a tab on the performance of business and to see if it is running smoothly or not. The third aspect of the financial laws is the tax law. Tax law has the most serious nature of all the financial laws that we see. The nature of this law is so serious that going against it may cost you fine, or you might end up in a jail. It is very much important for the companies to pay the adequate taxes to the government, and also as a businessman you should know that what kind of taxes are applicable in your industry. The next kind of laws that you need to know are the labor laws. In spite of the size of a company, whatever the size of the company is, you need to follow and know the labor laws that have been given by the government. If a company is found in the violation of such laws which protect the rights and interest of labor, is heavily penalized. Few acts that you should read in order to know about labor laws are Payment of Wages Act, Industrial Dispute Act, and Trade Union Act. IT laws is the next aspect that you should know about business laws. Today's world is so advanced, so modernized that each and everything can be done by sitting at a home or your office through your tablets, mobiles, computers, laptops, anything. In today's time, even contracts are electronic, your signatures are digital or electronic. So knowing about IT laws might provide you bigger and more opportunities for your business in the future. The next aspect that you should know about is the IPR, Intellectual Property Rights. These kind of laws protect your interest, your inventions, and also protects you from any kind of lawsuit for the infringement of someone else's intellectual property. Intellectual property rights help you to safeguard your inventions so that no one else can copy your inventions. So this is one of the most important laws that you should know about in your startup. The last and the final aspect that you should know about business laws is the winding up of the company. Obviously, when you go into business, you look out for profits, But when we go into something, we should always hope for the best and we should be ready for the worst always. So if a company becomes insolvent, you should go for winding up of a company so that you can do better next time. So that is all for the video. I hope you liked the video, and if you learned something, do consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I'll meet you in the next video.